Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey Bates. This is week 5 of my case study for the Skin Games. This week I want to talk about aging and what causes it, how to prevent it. Intrinsic factors is your internal and natural aging, how fast your cells turn over, how efficiently they repair. Some people make collagen longer than others. It is literally genetic. When your cells divide, your telomeres get shorter, which causes old, damaged cells. This causes thin skin, fine lines, less elasticity, and slow healing. As we age, we lose bone, fat, and muscle. This can cause under eye hollowing and jaw shrinking. And for women specifically, hormone changes, a loss of estrogen, especially in postmenopausal women. This can speed up the aging process. Moving on to extrinsic factors. These are your external environmental factors. The #1 cause of aging is UV and sun exposure. #2, infrared and visible light. Phone screens, computer screens. This is going to cause a collagen breakdown over a long period of time. Pollution causes early wrinkles, inflammation, a dull look. Smoking can do this too because the blood vessels are shrinking, which causes less oxygen going to the skin. A diet high in sugar and drinking lots of alcohol causes glycation, dehydration, inflammation. Stress causes cortisol. Cortisol breaks down collagen. If you don't get enough sleep, you have a poor skin barrier. So all of these factors together are going to come together and cause a faster aging process. Now, we can reverse or slow down this process by protecting your collagen, wearing your SPF daily, increasing your antioxidants like vitamin C, resveratrol, niacinamide, doing things to intentionally protect yourself from UV exposure. We can stimulate new collagen by doing microchanneling, red light, lasers, chemical peels, jet plasma. We can reduce chronic inflammation by taking our omega-3s, having a high alkaline diet, increasing your hydration, red light again, and of course, slowing glycation. So if you can, do the preventatives. You can age intelligently. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.